Swaminarayan. Today we learn about what is HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for creating web page. Like when we want to visit any website, that type different types of web pages available, like text, images, pictures, as well as audio. Same way, when we create web page, that time we use HTML tag. First of all, what is an HTML tag? The contents of web page are written using HTML tags. Means when we write an HTML code for creating web page, that time different types of tags available, like starting HTML. This one is the one type of tag. It is known as a HTML tag. This tag is used for creating a web page. Then a tag is made up of letters, words and numbers enclosed between a left and right angular bracket. Means when we write any tag, this one HTML, that time different types of letters, it may be capital or small. Words mean HTML. Then after number, when we create headers document, that time number also is used in a HTML tag, enclosed between a left and right angular bracket. Here two angular bracket is given. First one is the left side and this one is the right side. Means when we write HTML tag, that time we use letters, words, numbers, as well as two angular brackets. First one is left angular bracket and second one is the right angular bracket. A combination of opening and closing tag along with some content between the two tags form an element. Every HTML tag has opening and closing tag. Like see here, one example is given. Opening tag means title, content means about rainbow, closing tag means closing tag. Here closing tag is a title close. When we start to write HTML document, start with HTML tag. This one is opening tag. Then after this one closing. HTML tag is a closing tag. Means a combination of opening and closing tag. That time we use both tag one by one, HTML and HTML close. Like this way, different tags available in the HTML tag. When we learn about how to create web page, that time we see the different types of tag available in HTML document. An HTML element may be empty or can have some attribute to specify additional formatting or publishing instruction. Means here different types of tag available. Different tags is, some tag is are empty. Means no value is available in the HTML tag, and some tag has different attributes. Means suppose we want to write header tag, that time header align is equal to center. Means here one tag is available, h1 is the header tag. Here one attribute specified for additional formatting of a document, align center. That time the heading is available in the center of the whole page. Here one example given related this. Opening tag means title tag, content about rainbow, closing tag means title close. Here in between title and title close, one title is given. This one is the about rainbow. Means when we create HTML document, that time when we use title tag for displaying the title about rainbow. The title about rainbow title close form an element of an HTML code. means here one code is given, means one tag HTML to HTML close display the content about rainbow. The closing tag contents are preceded with a forward slash, means when we use starting tag that time no slash available, means this one is the opening tag. When we use closing tag, suppose HTML close, that time HTML close is preceded this one forward slash. In computer, in keyboard two types of slash available. First one is the backward and second one is the forward. When we use closing tag, that time use forward slash, means the closing tag contents are preceded with a forward slash. When we use any tag starting and ending, that time in ending tag we use forward slash for closing tag. Here one example is given, title is opening and title close means closing tag. Now we learn about how HTML document structure. When we create a web page, that time the HTML document structure is given here. First one is HTML head, title, title close, head close, body, body close and HTML close. This one is the basic structure of creating any web page. When you create any web page, that time this is the simple structure of HTML. This structure is divided into two sections. First one, this one is known head section. First one is given head section and second one is given body section. In human there are two sections. Simple, here in HTML two section is available, head section and body section. In human this one is the head section and after a nick second part is the body section. Head section is display the information about web page and body section is display the content of the body, means when you create any web page, that time the information is available in between body and body close. Why we use HTML tag to HTML close? First point, HTML to close HTML means this tag starting tag to ending, means when you create HTML document, that time use HTML tag starting HTML. When you close any documents, HTML document, that time close HTML document is available. Then after head and head close, second point. Second tag is head to head close. This tag is used to identify or mention when the page is created, who is the author and which of the date of the creating web page is displayed in between head and head close tag. Then after third, title to title close. This tag title and title close, the page title is available. It is displayed in the title bar of the any web page. Means when you create title, that time use title and title close tag. Then after use body and body close. 4 number. Body to close body tag. It is used for displaying information in a web browser. It may be text, picture, video, or audio. These all are the content of body section. This one, text, picture, video, and audio. Different types of text we use in between body and body close tag. I write one simple program here. You just see how to create a simple document. First one is suppose HTML, head, title. Suppose I create one web page related Gokul Dham. Write down Gokul Dham. Close, title, here, close, head, body. In body we write welcome in Gokul Dham. Then after close body and close HTML. Here one example is given for related Gokul Dham. In one web page I create related Gokul Dham. Only one message, one text is available here. Welcome in Gokul Dham. That time when open web browser, only this sentence is available here. Welcome in Gokul Dham. Means this one in between content means body and body close. We write here one sentence, welcome in Gokul Dham Nar. That time only this sentence is displayed in the web browser, not a whole code. This one is the simple coding is given for creating web page related Gokul Dham Nar. We learn about structure of an HTML document. After this, the basic rule of HTML. When we create HTML structure, which rules we follow? First one, HTML is a free format language. Means here the HTML code is a free format. No fixed format is available in this language. Second, the browser, if not able to understand a tag, skip it. It does not show any error except for a small indication in the status bar. Means when we write any tag, that time computer or browser is not understand its own way. That time automatically the mistake means the error understood the tag ऑटोमेटिकली स्किप इट. मीन्स जब ब्राउजर होगा वो पूरी तरह से टैग को आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करेगा तो उसी समय वो क्या करेगा, उसे स्किप करेगा. इट डज नॉट शो एनी एरर, वो कोई भी एरर नहीं बताएगा और ऑटोमेटिकली न्यू लाइन न्यू टैग जो दी गई होगी वहां से कंपाइलिंग स्टार्ट करेगा. एरर एक्सेप्ट फॉर अ स्मॉल इंडिकेशन इन द स्टेटस बार. थर्ड वन, द टैग्स used in designing web page are not case sensitive. Hence, HTML or any other combination mean the same. Means here when we write HTML coding different way, small letter, capital letter or sentence case. This way we can write tag different way, like small letter in tag small, capital or sentence. It is a case sensitive, not case sensitive. We can use different way in the HTML coding. Fourth one, browser while displaying the contents ignores all additional white spaces like space, tab, new line, etc. etc. When we create in HTML document, that time we use spacebar key, use tab key, then press enter and make a new line. Means when we create a paragraph, that time we use new line. Means जब जब भी ब्राउजर जो कंटेंट वो डिस्प्ले करेगा तभी जो स्पेस है, एडिशनल स्पेस है, टैब की द्वारा जो स्पेस दी गई है वो, और एंटर की द्वारा जो न्यू लाइन लिया गया है, उनके बीच जो स्पेस आने वाली है वो सभी क्या करेगा, इग्नोर करेगा डायरेक्टली विद द यूज ऑफ HTML कोडिंग. It is a good practice to add comments to the code. Comments help user understand what the designer intended to do with code. In comments are added by inserting the text between a comment start and end comment tag. Anything in between these tags are not displayed in the content window. We can add new thing in the HTML document. It is a comment using this tag. Comment is displayed using angular bracket, exclamatory sign, then two dash. Then we write comment. After end of the comment, we write two dash angular bracket. We write any comment in this way with the use of two tags. First one is the starting and second one is the ending comment tag. When we write this in comment, anything in between this tag, means when we write anything in between two tags, it is not displayed in the content window. जो भी हमने कमेंट टैग के बीच में लिखा हुआ है वो कहां पर, कंटेंट विंडो में डिस्प्ले किया जाएगा नहीं. HTML का जो कंटेंट होगा वही डिस्प्ले होगा.